Today we're looking at this Hydraskincare. It is by AAOCARE Photon system. It is a PDT LED light photon facial mask skincare rejuvenation face body beauty therapy. This device is supposed to increase the skin's elasticity, increase circulation, and stimulate collagen production from thin lines and wrinkles. And here's our main piece here. We also have the plug and the brackets for holding up, and they do include the eyeglasses. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a green tint to them, so you can still clearly see through them, but it'll protect your eyes from the LED lights. And here's more pieces of the stand as well as a Velcro strap. So we are just setting up the infrared LED light therapy support. We're going to take this metal part and just push it in here. And then inside of these are 3 levels. And those are the levels that we can set our shade kind of to go. Pull this out. And the lights are easily seen here. So here's the back side of it. And when we're putting it in, we're going to want to keep the back side on the outside. And we're just putting this here. So right now we have our LED light therapy all set up, and here is our timer and adjustments. Pretty standard warnings before we go any further. Do not set this up near any water source, and do not bend or fold the panel. Make sure that the apparatus is unplugged before attempting to clean it. Or to keep this dry, and when you are cleaning it, just spot clean with a clean, dry cloth. No solvents, no chemicals, no water should be anywhere near this. We're not using this near any heat sources. We're not using this near any water sources. We are keeping this completely dry and clean. It does mention a warning: anyone with darker skin complexes, do not actually touch while this is lit up. Now we do have our adapter, and we're going to plug this in. The user manual does give us a couple different settings or positions for how to use the device. Looks like we can put the panel around the wrist and arm. We can leave it in the structure we have built for the face. We can place it directly on the back, on the upper leg, the lower back, and it does come with the elastic for the positions here. Are all plugged into the power source, so we're just going to plug this into the remote control. And we have power here. Now that we have power on the remote control here, we're going to press the desired color. As you can see, we have R for red, Y for yellow, and B over there for blue. So you press the desired color button, and after 3 seconds, it will beep and light up. You can select 2 or 3 colors at the same time. The infrared light will always be on regardless of the color selected. And press the off button over there to adjust treatment duration in 10-minute increments. The default time is 20 minutes, but you can set a time limit for as little as 10 minutes or as long as 60 minutes. After you adjust the timer, wait 3 seconds for it to beep and light up. Press the off again after the light appears, and the device will turn off. Okay, so we are going to press yellow, red, and blue. And now all of those have come on. Press the off. Now it's off. Just press yellow. 3 seconds and the yellow comes on. Off. Do the same for red. Here's the red light, off, blue. And again, the infrared light is on regardless. Anytime you're going to be using this for your face, you should be wearing the goggles. And it has an adjuster. Just hold that down and pull. And it has a very blocked green tint, so I can still see, but it is going to protect my face from the lights. And this is good for all skin types. I'm going to set this for all of the lights. For this, we're going to use the Skin Dermaluma Blue Light for more acne-related issues. It should take 12 sessions over the course of weeks, 3 to 5 sessions per week. We will use the red light for wrinkles, and that's going to be 16 sessions over 4 weeks at 4 to 6 sessions per week. And then we'll use the yellow light to treat skin erythema and redness, 18 sessions over 6 weeks, 5 sessions per week.